Up next, we have Siti Nurwati Hodijah from the Faculty of Arts and Education with a presentation examining the role of gender and trauma in the radicalisation process, the case of Ambon, Indonesia. Good luck, Siti.
Have you ever wondered why some people are drawn toward political violence after experiencing trauma? Before starting my PhD, a friend introduced me to Ruby Gibson's book, My Body, My Earth, which discusses how some memories persist through generations. This led me to question why individuals in Indonesia post-conflict areas are prone to be more involved into political violence or extremist groups. In my research of the 1999 to 2001 Ambon conflict, I explore how deep emotional wounds, whether historical suffering or recent pain, can push individuals toward radicalization and violence. Can you imagine when President Suharto resigned in 1998, Indonesia faced significant conflicts, including the Ambon religious riots. Rumor spread that Christians, supported by the UN, Dutch government, and a major political party, were conspiring against Muslim community, while others claimed that Ambon would be made Islamic. These lies, along with Ambon's history of religious tension, were used by extremists to spark violence, leading to thousands of casualties with millions of innocent civilians displaced, causing widespread trauma. This tragedy worsened because the government failed to prevent radical groups from exploiting suffering and perpetuating violence. Now, gender plays a crucial role how men and women cope with trauma and respond to conflict. My research also explored these differences through interview and personal stories from people who experienced violence in Ambon. My study uses the 3N, needs, narrative, and network radicalization model to explore why people adopt extremist views. The need represents motivation like trauma and gender influenced by socio-cultural context. The narrative consists of justification or stories based on moral, religious, national, or ethnic identities. The network process legitimizes these behaviors. By focusing on how gender and trauma contribute to radicalization, my study aimed to reduce political violence and extremism in Indonesia. Understanding this pathway will guide the development of effective prevention strategies. Through this research, we will strengthen trauma recovery programs in post-conflict areas like Ambon, collaborating with survivors and community groups to break cycle of generational trauma. Thank you.